What if I told you that one of the Nigerian's most controversial programs was created because the country almost ceased to exist? Today, thousands of Nigerians graduates are required to serve for 1 year under the National Youth Service Corps, better known as NYSC. Some Nigerians believe the scheme still promotes national unity. Others believe it has become outdated and even dangerous. With increasing insecurity, kidnappings, and attacks on corps members, many people are asking one question: should NYSC continue, or is it time to end it? But before we answer that question, we must first understand why NYSC was created in the first place, because the story begins with a war that nearly destroyed Nigeria. Between 1967 and 1970, Nigeria fought a brutal civil war. For 30 months, the country was divided by violence. Families were torn apart, communities that once lived together became enemies. When the war finally ended, Nigeria was still one country on map, but not in the hearts of many of its people. Trust has disappeared, fear had taken its place. The government knew that simply ending the war was not enough. The nation itself needed healing. In January 1970, head of state General Yakubu Gowon made a historic declaration: no victor, no vanquished. It was a promise that no group would be treated as defeated people. His government then adopted three major goals: reconciliation, rehabilitation, and reconstruction. Roads could be rebuilt, buildings could be repaired, but building trust among Nigerians would take much longer. This government believed the future of Nigeria rested in the hands of young, educated citizens. If graduates from different ethnic and religious backgrounds could live together, work together, and understand one another, the divisions created by the Civil War might gradually disappear. So, on the 22nd of May 1973, General Yakubu Gowon signed Decree Number 24 of 1973. That decree established the National Youth Service Corps. Its mission was simple: promote national unity by sending young graduates to serve in parts of Nigeria different from their own. In most cases, corps members were posted outside their states of origin or the states where they studied. A graduate from Kano might serve in Rivers State, someone from Enugu would find themselves in Sokoto. A graduate from Lagos might spend an entire year in rural village, far from everything they knew. For many, it became their first opportunity to experience another culture, to build friendship across ethnic, religion, and regional differences. That was the heart of the NYSC vision. But there was another reason. Nigeria had very few skilled professionals. Many rural communities lacked qualified teachers, health workers, engineers, and other specialists. NYSC helped fill those gaps. Young graduates were posted to schools, clinics, government offices, and underserved communities where their knowledge could make a real difference. The program became not just a year of national service, but an important national building project. More than 50 years later, Nigeria has changed. The country is no longer recovering from civil war. Instead, it faces new challenges: insecurity, unemployment, economic hardship. Today, many parents worry when their children receive posting far from home. What was once seen as opportunity is now sometimes viewed as risk. Supporters argue that NYSC still helps unite Nigeria and provides valuable services to communities that need them. Critics believe the program should be reformed to better protect corps members and reflect today's reality. One thing, however, is beyond debate. NYSC was never created as a punishment. It was created to heal a wounded nation. Whether it is still achieving the mission is a question every Nigerian must answer. Now I want to hear from you. If the decision were yours today, would you keep NYSC, reform it, or scrap it completely? Tell me why in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this documentary, please like this video, subscribe for more Nigerian history and untold stories, and share this video with someone who should know why NYC was created. Thank you for watching. And remember, history is not just about the past. It helps us understand the future. I will see you in the next documentary. Thank you.